Welcome back. You can use Amazon S3 in order to back up a portion of your hard drive or your entire hard drive using programs managed by Cloudberry Labs. So if you go to the products link, what you'll notice is that there is a section for desktop backup. Now, depending on whether or not you have Mac, Windows, or Linux, you'll want to just click desktop backup. Now, desktop backup does cost $50. However, you can download a free trial which will give you access to a free version. There are also versions for the Mac, which is $29, and Linux. Now, Cloudberry will allow you to determine how much your backup storage is going to cost. For example, if you want to back up 100 gigabytes, this will tell you what that amount will be. If you wanted to increase it, you can do that, and you'll know then what your monthly costs are going to be. Now, the freeware does have limitations. You can use it up to 200 gigabytes to back up files from your hard drive. There are some things that you cannot do. For example, you cannot do an image-based backup. You can only do a file system backup. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and download the free trial. You are going to need this code to activate the free version, so you'll want to copy it. You'll then click Next for the Home Edition. Now, this Cloudberry program will back up Cloud Drive to Cloud Drive. However, what we're going to do is we're going to back up the files from a portion of our hard drive to the cloud. So we're going to click this link. We're then going to click Next. We're then going to add in a new storage account. And we have a familiar process. What we'll need to do is we'll need to create an IM user. We'll need to get the access key and secret key, and then we'll need to place it inside of this area. Now, when you're going through the setup process, the backup program will ask you to specify a specific bucket. So if you haven't done that already, you'll want to create a specific bucket for the backup process. So once we've done that, we are now ready to begin using Cloudberry to back up portions of our hard drive, or in some cases, depending on what version you're using, the entire hard drive. And we will pick it up in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in that next video.